thought I put on my do not disturb. And the wreath I have is a 28 inch. I mean, God, I say 28 inch. I mean, an 18 inch. $18-inch wreath. I'm making this one really big. I forgot to put down my website on there. Oh God, you know, I just thought about that. If that virus be around by Christmas time, that's gonna mess, and Thanksgiving, that's gonna mess up everybody family gathering. There's the rain. Oh, my flowers in my pot are really growing. Oh, if it start lightning, I have to get from out here. Feel like going stand in it, but if I stand in it, that's gonna make me not. That's gonna make me turn off my live. But I hope it don't have any lightning with it. Better. The reason I'm folding is to get rid of that raw edge. And the reason I went 24 is so I can have enough space to make my ruffles. When I fold them. So what I'm gonna do a few more, and then I come back and do the rest of this wreath with you, because it takes up a lot of time to do ruffles. And you know I'm doing 48 ruffles. That's a lot. You can tell this is one of the end pieces because it want to curl up more on you. You want to grab another one to pin it. So y'all, I'm gonna go and finish rolling these up, but I'll be back with part 2 later. Just set your notifications so you know when I'm going live. If you don't want to miss me, set your notification, because it's raining and thundering. I don't know when a lightning gonna come up in there, so I am gonna go, but I'll be back. So set your notifications so you'll know when I pop up there. BK3 Reefing Things is going live, or Louisa Bell going live, or YouTube BK3 Reefing Things. So I will see you guys a little later on. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and get back on camera with you to do the rest. All right. See ya.